above all, children need our unconditional love, whether they succeed or make mistakes, when life is easy and when life is tough. If we can do our best to be a source of comfort and encouragement to our kids, if we can show them unconditional love and help them grow into the people they were meant to be, then we will have succeeded. So
if there's total unconditional love, that includes discipline, but a total unconditional love, it doesn't matter whether you're rich or poor, whether or not you're a real smart dad or you're not such a smart dad, whether you're handsome or you're not so handsome, it doesn't matter.
But it is a testament to your strength, your patriotism, and your unconditional love that you have proudly supported these cadets every step of the way.
You know, politically, given the strong bipartisan support for Israel in America, the easiest thing for me to do would be to put this issue aside. Just express unconditional support for whatever Israel decides to do. That would be the easiest political path. On core principles, he was unyielding, which is why he could rebuff offers of unconditional release, reminding the apartheid regime that prisoners cannot enter into contracts. But as he showed in painstaking negotiations to transfer power and draft new laws, he was not afraid to compromise for the sake of a larger goal. And because an unconditional war on poverty in America. And that groundbreaking effort created optimistic that unarmed truth and unconditional love will have the final word. That's